No, exactly is that because some of the associations demanding this cement plant to pay the rate which has been notified by the government. And after I asked the report, and the cement plant has paid exactly which has been notified by the government the rate. And two associations from East Zanka and West Zanka, they are working very happily with the cement plant. And of course, it seems another association come Meghalaya talk also another some things, and they come and demands we have to they have to follow the same rate even beyond Meghalaya, which is not possible for us to not fight on behalf of Assam government. That is the probably matter.
Ma, what was the amount which they demand, and what was the amount?
No, everything is on the notification. Exactly, it's not with me. Not demand, just demand that they should implement the government rate, and which cement plant has done it.
Ma, then what is the government rate?
Government rate is not yes. So it's, the government rate is as per within Meghalaya is 11 rupees per metric ton per kilometer for blacktop roads and 12 rupees per metric ton per km for gravel top road and 14 rupees per metric ton per km for the Kocha road. That is the latest notified one. And the cement plant has implemented even long time back.
Sir,
And the other group they demanded even they said even we should get different rate for the rate outside Meghalaya. So for outside Meghalaya, I mean Assam or some other place, we cannot notify from the government of Meghalaya on behalf of the other state.
sir, it seems that there was some lathi charge also.
That though you see when they didn't leave the strike. So obviously after a strong and long dialogue after 8 9 days, and the CMDC called them to the tables and they have serious of negotiations. So lastly they didn't understand the seems so law have to take their own course of action. But from my side as transport minister, everybody can meet me if they want to meet me. But actually this is the business between the transporter and the cement plant, not the government affairs. Yes, of course, if they want to meet me as welcome, no problem.
Well, anyone arrested?
It seemed 2 3 are there, but no record who are the name, but it seemed 2 3 are there have been
Ma,
arrested.
two of them are arrested. One is the person. What is the charge which they have been?
Let's see if the police will do their own course of action. We take their own course of action only.
Okay. And have you given any order for any inquiry or anything?
Just see, the arrest happened last night only, so I think the police will do their own course of action accordingly as per law only.
Ma, they have also alleged that even though the cement are made in our state, yet the price of the cement in our state is
We have
more
to check all
expensive.
this. You see, at this time, I won't step to other topic. We have to check all this, whether right or wrong, whether how to justify it.